your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, today I am doing an unboxing of the Izzy and Liv box. This is the box for May 2023. This box does ship at the end of the month. So it did come in like earlier in the week, but I've been away, so I didn't get a chance to unbox it until now. So I'm going to share that with you. This is a monthly subscription. If you guys didn't know, this box is a black lifestyle box, so you get different products in it every month, and it comes with a t-shirt every month, and each month there's a different theme about what the products are that's going to be in this box. So this box is $47.90 a month, and the best part about this subscription for me is that you can pause it, stop it whenever you need to, skip a few months if you want to, and resume it at another time, which I think is quite awesome. But without further delay, guys, let's get into this box and see what's in here. Okay. So guys, we first have a card. This is the card like our magazine that they used to include, but you know, everything's digital. So we have a QR code here on the back. This is going to give you your digital copy of the magazine. So this month we have the Kickback edition for the box. So without further delay, we're going to get started on our unboxing. So guys, in our magazine, it's for the Kickback edition. It says, here's a phrase you're bound to hear. Come this season, we're outside. Summer is officially on the horizon, and it's time to pop out with big energy like never before. Whether you're hitting a Renaissance world tour, attending a family function, or planning some much needed PTO with friends, start the season on a high note. The Kickback edition has you covered. Inside your May brown sugar box, you'll find the cookout essentials, trips. You'll find tips to navigate uncomfortable moments with certain relatives at family gatherings, and ideas to bring romance to the great outdoors. Go the distance this month and bring us along for the ride. So guys, this month our box is valued at $110. So guys, they did say that the cookout theme was in this box. So I'm going to just show you what we have right off the top first. We did get some Izzy and Liv plates. And these are just like paper plates with a printed design on them. And you get 8 in a pack. And then we also got the napkins to match. So you get a 20 pack of 5-inch napkins, and they do have the design, the same design as the plates. And they also gave us a 6-ounce pack of cups that also match the plate design. So for all of that, let's go through and see what we have. So for the cups, well, the prints and the cups, you could have got one of 4 prints that I'm showing you now. And they're valuing the cups at $10. I don't think so. Just my personal opinion. They're paper cups. This is not $10 to me. But you guys let me know what you think. And our 20 pack of napkins are also valued at $10. Disagree with that as well. And our pack of plates, and they did come in some cute designs, by the way. These are valued at $12, and that is for the pack of plates here, and you get 8 in a pack. I think that's a bit much as well for the value. They're cute. I think everything's cute. I think it's nice. These are great things you could take with you on a picnic. But I do think the value is a little inflated. Just my opinion. And I'm going to go on to the next thing out of our box. So the next thing we also have reusable storage bags, which I think is an awesome idea. Now that's on point. I think this is a great idea. So guys, these came in a pack of 4 packs of the reusable bags here. And these storage baggies are valued at $15. Now, these are great because you can put all kind of stuff in here, like sandwiches, your fruit, some snacks. And I think this is great not only for picnics or going to the beach or even going to work. So these are really nice. These are nice quality ones too. These are valued, guys, at $15. I can see that. There were a couple of different designs that you guys can see on the screen here, but I have the ones that say brown sugar on here. I think these are really cute, and I think these are really helpful, not even just for the summertime, but just like if you go to work like me once a week. Great way to pack some of your essentials for lunch and snacks. So I think that was an awesome idea. And let's go to our shirt of the month. And let's see how many options we have for that. So guys, for our shirt of the month, we have 2 options. And you could have received one of 2. The shirt is valued at $25. There is Beauty and Radiance. And then there's Who Made the Potato Salad. And it looked like I got Who Made the Potato Salad. So let's see this one. And if you ever been to a black cookout, that is the first question. Who made the potato salad? So this is the shirt. I think it's cute. I think that's real chill for cookout, barbecue kind of season. Right on time. I think that's a cute little saying. I have a large, guys, and the ladies print. And that's what my shirt is. And then we have one more item in here. It's pretty big, so I'm going to have to insert a picture because I just can't do all of that right now. But we also have what is called a picnic mat. And this thing is pretty sturdy, by the way. It has some weight to it. As you can see, we have a young lady sitting on here, nice and pretty. This is valued at $38. And it says, let's take it outside. This multi-use mat is great for a beach day or any outdoor event. Perfect for traveling mamas, booked and busy divas, and aunties on the move. You get 1 of 4 prints. And guys, these are the 4 prints that we could have received. These mats are very big, and like I said, this is really heavy duty. It does have a handle for you to carry, which I think is awesome. But this is perfect for the beach. Like, it's nice and thick and sturdy for the beach. And you can fold it back up and travel it with you. But this has a nice weight to it. So I feel like this is something no sand is getting through. This is the underside of it, guys, just so you can see. But this thing has some weight to it. It's huge. You can literally sit your whole family, like a family of 4 easily on here. And just hang out with your kids at the park or go to the beach. I think this is absolutely perfect. Or if you go to any festivals where you sit outside, this is also something you can take. I think this is awesome. And again, this was valued at $39. I would go for that with the price. So, in review, our box was valued at $110. And we have our shirt, which is $25. We have the picnic mat at $39. We have our reusable sandwich bags here. I think they were $15. And we got our set of plates here. Now, they're cute, but I just disagree with the value for these. I think the prints are really nice. They're very cute. I like the idea of going to use these. I would have liked it even better if these were like reusable plates and reusable cups that you could kind of use. And then I probably would say the value might be on point. But for paper, not so much. So guys, that is my box for the May 2023. If you guys got this box, let me know what your thoughts were with this one. I wasn't really happy with the paper plates and the cups and the napkins. I think they're cute, but I think the value kind of on them was a bit inflated. I think the mat is awesome. I think the sandwich bags are awesome. I love my shirt. I think those were the best 3 things for this month for me out of this box. But guys, I would love to hear your comments below. Hit me up down below and let me know what you thought about this month's box. But if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I would love to have you a part of my family. I do post different subscription boxes every month. And this is one of my favorite ones that I like to do as well. And if you enjoy subscription boxes and watching unboxings, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and also tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I post my next video. But guys, until next time, stay blessed, stay cool, and enjoy this beautiful weather. Bye!